Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I made this pretty earring. Simple and easy to make. And our materials, I have 4 colors of bicones, and they are 4mm. And I have also earring hooks. And bead cups, and they are 4mm. And I also have 2 sizes of seed beads, 11/0 and 15/0. And my beading needle number 11, and I'm going to use this thread. So let's begin. Pick up 12, 11/0. Then pass through 6. Just give a short tail. So I'll pick up 6. Then pick up another 6. And I'm going to connect. Then I'll pick up 3. So my thread is coming out from here, so I'm going to pass through. Then I'll pick up 5, 15/0. Then bicone, green, and then 15/0, 1 gold, and green bicone, and 1 15/0. So it's 15/0 bicone, 1 15/0, sorry. So it's 5 15/0 bicone, green, 15/0, 11/0, 15/0, bicone, and 15/0. Then skip 15/0 and pass through all the beads. And the next is I'm going to pick up 10 15-0, the bicone purple 15-0, 11-0, 15-0, bicone, and 15-0. I'm going to skip the 15-0 and pass through all the beads. I'm going to pass through the first and this. So I just passed through the 6 11-0 and pass through another 2. So this was the 311 that I added before this one. So I exit to the second and pick up 1. Then I'll pick up, then I pick up 15 of 15-0, 1 bicone, the orange, and then 15-0, 11-0, 15-0, bicone, and another 15-0. Then skip 15-0 and I'm going to pass through all the beads. Then pick up another 11-0 and pass through. Then I pick up 15-0, 20 of 15-0, and then bicone, the blue, and then 15-0, 11-0, 15-0, bicone, and 15-0. And I'm going to skip 15-0 and pass through all the beads. Oops. So my thread is coming out. So I'm going to pick up the bead cap, three 11-0, Then I'm going back just to reinforce. Then I'll pick up 5, 11, 0. You guys, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And for those who already joined, thank you so much. So I'm going to just pass through here. Then I'll make some couple of knots before I cut my thread. I'll make one more. And I will also do the same here. Just pass through some beads, then make some couple of knots, and then I'll cut the thread. So it's done. It's cute. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, everyone, and happy beading.